Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade using the adjustments feature and the LUT feature as well. Select the adjustments tool and add in a custom adjustment on top, and then here's where you can adjust it, but I prefer to add an LUT first. So there's like an LUT, and I've already imported a few, but if you don't know where you can import it, it's on the left side. LUT, select import, and then select the LUT file. Just download it off of any website that you want to, but I'm just going to find the one that I want. For instance, this one has like this really soft green one that I like, and kind of like adjust it to your liking. Honestly, you can adjust the hue and like the saturation here, and even the brightness of it, the contrast, and just color grade it however you want. You can even sharpen it here. And yeah, that is basically it, really. It is actually super simple. Oops, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!